Hey, hi. In this video, we're gonna see how you can how you can turn off Google Play subscriptions instantly, or how you can pause. Actually, you can pause or you can cancel that subscription. Now, for me, in my case, I did a trial. I subscribed for a trial. An app is called We Last Seen, and the trial ended. I'd forgot about the trial, and so they're trying to charge my card. The good thing, the card has no money, so I want to cancel the subscription for my Google account because I even have uninstalled the app, but still the subscription is still active. Okay, so let's go back to let me go back to my window. So you can do Play Store. Okay, I'm going to direct you how you can do it on your computer and also the app. So let me start by showing you if you're on your computer. So you go to playstore.com and you go to where your profile pic is. Okay, so make sure you're logged into the right email that controls that, the right email that you used. Okay, so it's important. If the email is wrong, you change it. Okay, you can just switch the account. Okay, if you're not sure, then you have to actually test out all the emails that your Xiaomi used to pay. So click on payments and subscriptions, then click on subscriptions. They will show all the subscriptions that you are paying under that email. It will be something like this. Okay, so click on that subscription. Here, there is Google one. So in my case, the other email had last seen. So when you click on it, you come here like payment decline because I don't want to pay. There was no money on that card. So there is pause payments and there is cancel subscription. So you just click on cancel subscription. Okay. So by so doing this, you won't really, you will actually avoid the other app from kind of charging you. So some people kind of uninstall the app, but even if you uninstall without canceling the subscription, they will still be charging you money. So you can choose any reason, then you can say cancel subscription. So if you do this, it means this We Last Seen won't really actually won't be charging you any more payments. That app, whatever was charging you. So you can click on see current subscription to confirm that you removed all the subscriptions. Okay, so currently there's no any active subscription. Expired means they no longer have control over uh, charging you. Okay, so under my active, yeah, I don't have any active subscription. So that's how you actually you can cancel subscriptions. In case maybe you are tired of the app charging you money. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video useful. Okay, bye bye.